So we are starting with our daily vlogs. Let's see how it goes. I'm excited though. Well, it's not a commitment though. I will try to make sure that I post something as a story or as a vlog. Let's not name it as a daily vlog rather than as a daily content on our YouTube handle. So I'm walking down my campus. I am going to see Mr. Levent. He's trying to drive me to one of the place, or maybe I will take him to the mount as decided, and we'll try to fly some drone shots. I'll show you around the lovely campus of University of Surrey at Guildford in United Kingdom. There we meet again. How are you?
Jumping.
Cheers. That's it. Our trail ends here. We're gonna enjoy our lunch and then catch you up. So this is all what Mr. Levent has got it for me and him. We're gonna have a, what Chinese cuisine is it? Noodles and all sort of things. So we'll finish it up, let you know how it is.
Black bean sauce.
Chicken in black bean sauce. Let's see how it is. So we are trying for fun. And also we have some chili sauce to top on it.
Potato.
It's very spicy though. So we are at the harbour and mostly we have some drinks to pull off. It should be more of coffee. So I have an Irish coffee. Mr. Levent, what you're trying today?
Toddy.
Toddy.
Toddy. Toddy.
Here we are high on coffee now. And you also have an espresso shot if I'm not wrong.
Right. I have to wake up 7 o'clock every day. I have to do that. Another option, like a school runs, I have to make a call actually on that one.